As a lecturer in academic practice, one of the things I'm particularly passionate about is how we can develop our own practice as educators to be more inclusive in terms of both what and how we teach. Last year, I attended a workshop which introduced the Ward-Gale model for LGBTQ inclusivity in higher education curriculum, and have since applied that same model to thinking about inclusive teaching and curriculum more broadly. By working with teaching colleagues to look at legal guidelines, socio-political imperatives, and our own core professional values, I use this as a starting point for each person to reflect on their own practice in terms of language, role models, and curriculum content. Wherever someone is on their developmental journey, whether getting started, making changes to their approach, or whether they're embarking on more transformative practice already, we can all benefit from taking the time to reflect on our values and challenge our own assumptions in order to make more inclusive choices for our teaching. In so doing, we can contribute to social mobility by supporting the opportunity for success of all learners, all with diverse backgrounds, experiences and identities. To support this endeavour, I've been working with a colleague in Exeter's academic development team to create a website of resources structured around the Ward-Gale model in order to support colleagues to develop more inclusive teaching practices. The website is a work in progress, and we welcome feedback from colleagues, particularly in terms of suggestions for other useful resources and inspiring case studies of good practice.